So here we go. In example 6, we're going to use the formula. $14,000 is invested for 3 years at 7.5% per annum compound interest compounded annually. So notice once again it has this word compound and also annually. So I'm going to use the compound interest variables. I'm going to be looking for amount. I'm going to be looking for P for principal. I'm going to be looking for R, rate. I'm going to be looking for N, number of compoundings. And I might end up having a little spot T, which is just time. So looking at the question, $14,000 is invested, so that must be my principal. For 3 years, that's got to be time. And 7.5% per annum. So 7.5 per annum. All right, now I need to have a little look. Use the formula to find out how much the investment is now worth. So I'm going to be finding out A and how much interest was earned. So a bit later on, I'm going to have to work out I as well. So that's something else. All right, let's look at N. N is the number of compoundings. There's 3 years. We compound every year or annually. So we've got 3. And our rate is per annum, and we're compounding annually. So we just need to turn that into a decimal by dividing by 100. And here we go. So let's start. We'll write the formula. A equals P 1 plus R to the power N. Let's substitute in our numbers. 14,000 1 plus 0.075 to the power 3. In the next line, it's a good idea to write this next line, but you can just do it on your calculator if you like. 1.075 to the power 3. And then at this point, you do need to type this into your calculator. Times, open a bracket. Don't forget to put that 0 in there because it will change the answer quite significantly. Remember, if you get a fraction, press S to D, and that'll give you a decimal. And we're going to be talking in dollars, so I'm going to start with a dollar sign there. 17392 point. Now there's a few numbers after that. 156. We're talking in money, so we're only going to go to the nearest cent, which is 2 decimal places. So I need to round to 16 cents. So the formula tells us that the investment is now worth $17,392.16. So that's the answer to part A. Part B says how much interest was earned. Well, that's how much the investment is altogether, but we started with 14,000. So all we need to do is we can just go, we can write a formula if we want, or we can just sort of use a bit of common sense. Our interest is going to be the final amount, take away the principal. And just because I'm a bit short of room, I'll see if I can fit that in. 0.16, take away 14,000, and you might be able to already see that in your head. Leaves me with $3,392.16.